Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about leveraging value messaging to increase commission rates. And this is for a client that is a food delivery service client. And in this case, we were working with the team that looks to get more restaurants online. And so there is this commission portion of onboarding new vendors. And then there's a portion of all of the revenue and sales that goes to the food delivery service itself. So our goal was to increase package selection for these merchants, but with an added goal of not only trying to increase package selections within the flow, but to skew merchants towards the best packages for their business and increase commission rates as well. So there's this premier tier of packaging, which has a higher commission rate. So the control experience, as you can see, is as merchants are signing up, they have this page with 3 different options to select the right plan for them. And we do have badging to show that the premier plan is the most popular. That's a previous test that we had run that showed positive results. But what we wanted to understand was, could we further improve package selection and selection of premier by specifically highlighting some of the key benefits that you only got in those higher tier packages? And so what we did was leverage these checkmark value propositions and only showed them in Plus and Premier packages with the top features that those users got by upgrading their plan. Any questions, guys?
Cara, was there any targeting or segmentation in terms of the audience coming into the test?
We only segmented by US English in this case, really just to ensure that we didn't have to go through translations, but not as a specific, regionalized test. Any other questions, guys?
I am voting for V1 because I think that it is a better visualization of the value props. It's more direct, and I think that will be appealing to their target audience.
Great. It sounds like we should go into polling. All right, everyone. If you think that V1 won because you think that all of our concepts are the best, thumbs up. If you think the controls somehow managed to beat out our amazing concepts, thumbs down. And then if you think it was neutral, thumbs flat to the side. All right. This was a win. So basically what we found was not only did it increase total package selection, highlighting some of the key values, but it skewed more packages towards Premier. I didn't want to totally give away the cart before the horse, but this was an iteration test where we had initially tested putting top value messages, top value benefits across all 3 cards, and it did increase package selection, but it didn't carry through to conversion, and it actually ended up skewing more users to basic, because when you showed value messaging across all packages, users felt like, well, then why would I need to upgrade? So that was why we decided to run this iteration and only highlight the features that were exclusive to the higher tier packages to see if we could leverage some of that initial benefit moving through the flow, but skewing those packages over, and it was quite positive. So we were really psyched about this one.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to have more test ideas sent directly to your inbox.